Morning guys, welcome back to my channel N.P. Detailing. I do cars, bikes, detail inside, interior, engine bays, the whole thing really. Today I'm working on a maintenance wash. Hopefully when I wash it, it should all come off. The car is literally covered completely. Some bits are worse obviously, and some bits are less. So you can see the wheels reacting, all the purple, that's all the metal filings from the brake dust. quite happy with this. Inside, just quick hoover. Had some marks around the door. It's been hoovered, not shampooed anything because it's just a quick maintenance hoover. And I'll catch you on the next car.